Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy rice in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map. And once you're in the map, just teleport to Lie Harbor, like I've already done, and then search for a general goods store, which is right over here. So the store's name is Second Life and the owner's name is Dongsheng. Go near it and then press F to interact, like so. Now click on the first option. So here are all the items you can buy in this general goods store. Scroll down until you find rice, which is right over here. Click on it. As you can see, this item right here can only be found in general goods store in Lie, Inazuma and Sumeru. So to purchase this, click on the purchase button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. Adjust the quantity by using the slider right here. So one rice is going to cost 90 mora. To purchase this, all you need to do is click on this purchase button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!